Making $100 a day used to require a 9 to 5 grind. But in 2026, AI has flipped the script. Today, I'm showing you 3 proven ways to generate a consistent $100 daily income using nothing but free AI tools. No investment, no boss, and no experience needed. Let's dive in. First, AI content kits. Local businesses in the US are struggling to keep up with social media. You can use AI to generate a month's worth of high-quality posts, captions, and reels in under 10 minutes. Selling these content kits for $50 to just 2 clients a day hits your goal instantly. Second, high-end voiceovers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming with demand for natural American AI voices for ads and audiobooks. By using advanced tools to fine-tune scripts and emotions, you can fulfill multiple orders a day and easily clear the $100 mark. Third, AI branding. Every new startup needs a logo and a brand kit. Tools in 2026 can generate professional-grade vector logos in seconds. Charge a premium for the brand package, which includes a logo, business card, and social media headers. One sale, $100. The 2026 economy belongs to those who master AI. Which of these methods are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want the exact list of free tools for these side hustles, hit that subscribe button and check the link in the description. Let's make some money.